Hello dear friend, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how to design a professional resume using Microsoft Word. So maximum of the people do not understand about the font size for a resume and what kinds of stylish or the font of a title or font of a alphabet, what kinds of font should be chosen inside the resume, they don't understand. So hereby you can see I have chosen the Belmate. So this is really very popular for a European region. So hereby I have used this Belmate font of alphabet. So you should also choose another calligraphic or any nature Arial. These types of fonts should be chosen for any resume. So hereby you can see I have used the two section. The two section is required when you are using more details about the experience, skills, certification and your project details, your publications. These types of things you want to adjust inside a single resume. So you should choose a partition. Hereby I have also used the partition, and here is the another things I have just copied and posted. But this resume has been made using latex or overleaf. So these types of application needs programming or the knowledge of programming, because there every font and the design of the resume is manufactured under the programming. So that's why the programming knowledge is required in the latex or overleaf. So here without programming you can choose option for like Microsoft Word. So this Word will give you a very professional. If you have proper understanding and knowledge about the resume, you can make your resume using Microsoft Word easily. So these types of things is very required when you are going for a job. The job seeker person need to show some experience level. So hope you try to make this resume at your level best. Here I have just shown the text and the option you can choose here inside the Microsoft Word. These types of things you should know and understand about the resume, the basic things of resume. So all details about the year and the session, about your CGPA, everything is required inside this. So hope you like to watch this video and continue this tutorial. And another thing I will share with you, wait for the end of this video. So here you can see the institution session I have declared inside the resume, and after that you can choose your scalability or your skills and project details. You can choose these types of section also here, and after the end of all details you should choose a application, which the application is for a general purpose that you are requesting to choose you because of your skills, and you need a chance to show your show your capability about the perfect job holders. So these types of things is required, and when you go for an interview, that times they will ask you some simple question about on your resume, based on your resume, that what types of project and the subject you have chosen inside the resume. These types of things is required. So hereby you can see I have shown here the skill of programming inside a skill level with our programming based. So this skill level has been designed in our previous tutorial, where you will learn about that how to design these types of skill level. So this skill level also you can learn inside Microsoft Excel. And in my previous video, if you look into my previous video, there are every kinds of the graph theory, and there are various different types of graph, chart design, and every types of calculation, and monthly database system and customer data system. These types of things also shown inside the Excel tutorial, and in my previous video almost all videos are on this topic. So I will give you these types of example tutorial in my level best, and hereby you can see now the resume making. So here is your certifications, and one of the things is I want to declare that if you have almost every kinds of like the normal chart designing system, and you have a proper knowledge about the chart designing, and I will request you to look forward my previous video. And if you think that you can able to make these types of chart, and huge amount of data you can handle, like thousands and 2000 5000 data you can manipulate inside the Excel sheet, then feel free to contact us. We have a great job for you. And if you are a job seeker as a data entry developer, so I will ensure that you will choose a correct option to choose us. And here every types of help and guidance I will assist you, and I will try to give you my level best project which will be paid. And hope you like to learn my all tutorial videos. And if you have more advanced knowledge, please feel free to share us. And if you any kinds of requirement to know about these types of project details, resume making and data entry, so feel free to ask inside the comment section. I will try to make that video on that particular topics. So thanks for watching my video, and hope you guys learn something new, and goodbye today.